Y'all saw Kantwan was very, very happy to get up on this mic. So where'd you go, Kantwan? There you are. Let's hear for Kantwan. And after Kantwan will be Jacob Brooks. So be ready, Jacob.
Hello. All right. Hello, everyone. My name is Kantwan Williams. I work for ABC to a better chance, a better community, one community at a time. You see, I see. I like to share my personal experience with school meals. You see, throughout my life, through elementary school to high school, I was able to uh, d- enjoy different types of meals, but the way to provide it is sort of implied that the repertoire is kind of limited. Instead of they keep repeating the same food over and over instead of bringing out new ones. So for this mission, I was looking forward to help provide that I wanted to provide way more foods, and while I'm doing that, I want to make sure I still provide healthy foods for everyone to improve our physical abilities. Thank you.
Let's hear for Kantwan.